Hello! The Wacky Tax Guy here. With video number 3 in this series. I've been going through a new client's information here, and I have all my protective equipment on just to be safe, which everybody should be safe, and continue to be safe to beat this virus. Let me just put this aside here. Oh, this stuff could get hot. Oh, you see I'm wearing a hat. I tried to cut my own hair. Oh, I got a little mixed up on the numbers on the hair clippers. Well, all I could say is I should have drove down to Georgia. Oh. What are we going to do today? Huh? I have an idea. I got my phone fixed. My dialer was broken. And I was able to receive questions from many of my clients. And also, I received questions through social media. And so what I like to do is share some of them with you today. Because if my clients have questions, I'm sure you have the same questions. So let's look at some questions. Let me just log on here. Oh, I forgot my password. That happens a lot. Oh, dazed and confused. For so long, it's not true. Oh. Led Zeppelin. Here we go. Let's look at the first question, which is from Peggy Bundy. Is my direct deposit from the government taxable? Also, did I receive $500 for my baby born in 2020? Am I getting ripped off? Now, Peggy, you're not getting ripped off. First of all, it is not taxable. And second of all, how's the government supposed to know you had a baby in 2020? So, what they're going to do is when you fill out your 2020 tax return, you're going to get your $500 then. But that won't be a year from now. So don't spend it. Also, just as a reminder, that people who might have been over the income limits in 2018, if they use that return, or 2019, and did not receive any money, when in 2020 you are under the limits, well, just like Peggy, you're going to get a credit, and you'll get your money, but not now, when you probably need it. Sorry. Let's go to the next question. It's from Frank the Face. What a character this guy is. Mr. Wacky. I have my own business and sometimes receive cash for my services, which I use to buy stuff and don't deposit in the bank. Do I have to report this cash as income on my tax return? Yes! You have to report all your income, Frank the Face. But let's just say you got the cash and you spent it on stuff that you don't deduct on your tax return. Well, who's going to know you got this cash? As long as they don't send you 1099 miscellaneous reporting it to the IRS, nobody probably would know. I'm not telling you not to report it. And if I was doing your return, I would have to report it. Because I am ethical. Let's move on. Next question. From Annie Hall. I received a 2019 Form 1099 miscellaneous, which was overstated by $3,000. What should I do? Annie, you need to go back to the person that issued you the 1099 and tell them to correct it. That's the best solution. Let's say you cannot contact this person or they don't get back to you and you need to file your return. Well, what you can do is you report the full amount of the 1099 and then you back out on a separate line item. Amount reported in error from XYZ, whatever the name of the company is, and back out to $3,000. This way, You're reporting all income that's reported to the IRS, and you're not paying tax on income you didn't receive. Good question, Annie. Our next question is from Jenny. Mr. Wacky, where are you from? I do detect a New York accent. Oh, Jenny, you're a very observant person, let me tell you. Whoa, you should use those skills. I grew up in the Bronx. The memories. Playing stickball in the finest parking lot. Playing touch football in the street. Running it down and out. At the Chevy. And hanging out at the corner. Drinking ice cold water from the fire hydrant. Those were the days. Those were the days. You know, other people do ask me, why do we call it the Bronx? The Bronx. Why not the Brooklyn or the Queens? Well, that bothered me, so I looked it up. I'm not really good with the Google, you know. And I looked it up. And way back in the 1600s, the Bronx was considered Upper New York, where the elite lived. Sort of like Scarsdale and Briarcliff. People were a little stuck up. And they thought they were better than others. And had a sophisticated accent and dressed nice. And so when people asked them where they were from, they would say, duh, Bronx. Duh. And that stuck on for years. And it soon became the Bronx. Little tip from the Wacky Tax Guy. Let's just move on. Let's see. Next question. A question is from PT. If I ingest Lysol, can I deduct it as a medical expense? No! And no! Jeez! Why the hell would you want to ingest Lysol? The hell you get an idea like that? I'm nuts and I wouldn't do it. And it's not a qualified medical expense, so you can't deduct it either. Gee, why would you want to do? Why the heck you get an idea like that? Don't you read the instructions on back of the can? It's pretty evident that you would not even think about it. Jeez. Listen, PT. Don't so crazy around here. We stocked up. I think that's it with the questions today. I just would like to thank several people. The people that deliver my packages and everybody else's packages. The mailman. The person that comes out with my pizza. Because the Wacky Tax Guy loves pizza. The people in the supermarket packing bags and cashiers. And all the people out there that have to work to get us stuff. The Wacky Tax Guy. Thanks you.